So these 40 employees, I will divide these into 3 sections. So this is the first 10, the middle 20, and then last 10. And I'm just going to call the sum of the salaries of the first 10 employees. So that would be X1 plus X2, X10 as A, and then B would be the middle, and then C would be the last 10. And we'll use that to kind of translate these relationships. So the average bonus of the first 30 employees, so that's going to be adding these two, A plus B, because B is the sum from X11 to the X 40, sorry, not 40, X30, because that's the middle 20 employees. And then this last 10 would be X31, X32 to X40. So that would be, we're adding A plus B, because that's for the first 30 employees, divided by 30, that's 40,000. So that's our first equation. Then for the last 30 employees would be this piece here. So that equation would be B plus C over 30. That's the total number of employees. Again, B is the sum of the salaries of the middle 20, C of the last 20. And that is 60,000. And of the first 10 and the last 10 together was 50,000. So that's going to be A plus C. And this would be a total of 20 employees. That's 50,000. And I'm just going to use K for that. So A plus B is 30 times 40K, or 1200K. I don't want to be writing all the zeros. And then B plus C, again, if I multiply this, would be 1800K. And then A plus C is 1000K. So I can now solve for A, B, and C. I will subtract this first equation from the second, and you would get C minus A is equal to 600K. We have C plus K is 1000K. If I add them to C is 1600K. So C is 800K. From this, B is 1000K. And then A, subtracting that 800K from that, would be 200K. So I know what my A, B, and C are. Now they're given this condition that the bonus of the first 10 employees increased by 100%. So that means their sum, if it each one increases by 100%, will become double. So our sum now is 2A for the first 10. And the last 10 employees increased by 200%. So it will become 3 times. So the sum of their salaries would be 3C. And the middle remains the same. Question is, what's the average salary of the all 40 employees together? So that would be the sum of their salaries divided by 40. This is what I need. I know what A, B, and C are. So I'll just plug that in. I will eventually convert that K. So 3 times 800K over 40. B, yeah, let's see if I can reduce this. So that's 20. That's 5. And then that's 25. So this would be 10 plus 25. So this is all K. And 60. And if we add these up, this is K, 95K, which is 95,000. And that's answer choice B.